Hello and thank you for watching. This is Ashley Lundy at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we want to show you a quick tour of a brand new 2020 by Thor, a 4Winds in the 31B floor plan. I really like this floor plan. I really like this unit. This one has some nice upgrades. First off, you can see the beautiful full body paint. This one also has theater seating upgrades, leather upgrades on the inside. It's a beautiful unit. When you first walk in the door, you'll see our theater seats on the right-hand side across from a nice TV. Perfect placement there. You don't always get that. This one has beautiful dash upgrade, camera screen, seats. The booth here, extra large. Thor does amazing in the size of their booths. It also turns into a bed, and because it turns into a bed, you're gonna get larger booth bed than you would normally. You also have extra counter space you can fold up here. You have both an induction burner as well as two propane burners, and then a convection / microwave combination to help save room and give you more storage instead of an oven. You have a 2-door refrigerator with covers. It all looks the same in this beautiful wood. All your control panels are in one spot. Nice sliding door here. And this one has a really neat bathroom. This is where this floor plan really gets different. You have nice medicine cabinet, counter space, storage right by this bathroom sink here. The toilet itself, as well as the shower, is in a separate room here across the hall. I just love these colors. And then this one has another slide back here in the bedroom where you're going to find your queen bed, as well as a flat screen TV and a large back window. And then my favorite part, I call this the walk-in closet. You have both maybe his and hers side with drawers, counter space again, and rods for hanging your clothes up. So this is the neatest closet I've ever seen in one of these. And again, beautiful on the inside, beautiful on the outside, something a little bit different. They did amazing with this one. If you have other questions about it or would like to come see it in person, please don't hesitate to stop on by or give me a call. You can reach me directly at 541-337-2387, call or text. And again, my name was Ashley here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you so much for watching.